Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Green Terrace. This is my nasturtium plant. You can see there are so many flowers in them. There are more flowers than leaves in this plant. If you can grow properly, you will see a lot of flower in them. It's very easy to grow. You don't have to do a lot of hard work. These flowers are edible, these leaves and flowers. This one is variegated nasturtium, and it has another variety that has only green leaves. Variegated one has some design in the leaves. Mine is variegated. The colorful flowers, they attract pollinators in your garden. And if you want to know the proper care, how to grow them properly in your garden, watch the video till end. If you give it very rich soil, then there will be only leaves. You won't be able to see flowers in them. So while preparing the soil, remember not to use a lot of compost in that. You can even plant it in a soil that is not very rich, and you don't need to add compost in that if you want to. For soil, 1 part soil and 1 part sand and 1 part compost is enough for this one. And if you want, you may not add compost while making the soil. Still, this plant will grow very well. This plant does not need a lot of water. If you give too much water, there will be no flowers again. It doesn't love a lot of care. If you care it too much, then you won't get flowers. Keep the soil dry. Only give water when the soil is completely dry. You can water in 1 day gap. I don't know if you can see. My soil is very dry. I have watered yesterday. And the soil is dry, but I have to water it today because in the same pot I also have petunia. So for petunia I have to give water today, but I try to water only this side. Here I won't water today. I'll give water tomorrow here. And see, it has become a big bush here. It has taken all the space. This petunia got under it. You may add just a little bit of compost, and that's it. Always remember not to use a lot of compost in this plant. You may think that it has a lot of flowers, so it may need compost all the time, but it's not like that. It's not like petunia or other plants. This is very easy to grow. You can give compost once a month and that's enough. You can give any organic compost once a month and that's it. It will be fine. Sunlight is very important. Nasturtium needs a lot of sunlight. 6 to 8 hours of sunlight is must for them. So if you don't keep it in proper sunlight, this plant will not grow well. Always remember to remove the spent flowers. See, otherwise there will be seeds in this plant. I already have seeds. And the dry leaves. Here I also have another spent flower. Always remove spent flowers. This plant grows seed very fast. If you don't remove spent flowers every day, there will be seeds and you will not get flowers anymore. I also have seen some seeds in my plant. Oh, wait, let me find them for you. See, there is already a seed in my plant. Another one. Another seed. Nasturtium grows from seed very well. If you keep the seed for this year, next year, in next season, during October or September, you can grow nasturtium from this seed. They will grow very easily. You don't have to do a lot of hard work, but don't pick the seeds now. This is not ready now. It will wait until it falls down. Wait until it falls down. When it falls down by itself, then the seed will be ready, and then you pick up from here. I don't have any matured seed here. Its propagation is very easy. You can use it, you can grow it from seed, and you can also grow it from cutting. I have already grown some. I'm showing you. Cut it from here. It has become such a big bush that I tried to remove some of them. Otherwise, my petunias were got covered. So I cut some of them from here, and I just thought, let's try to propagate them, and they have become plants. See, it already has grown 2 flowers. This one I have grown from cutting. You can propagate them from cutting very easily. I have done nothing. I just kept them here, and you can see the result. So always remember to cut the spent flowers, otherwise there will be seeds and this plant will stop flowering. Remove the spent flowers. This plant is a very good filler plant, so you can use this one as filler plant, and it is good for container gardening. I'm planning to buy a lot of nasturtium next year. I will keep the seeds, and I will grow nasturtium next year from them. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being here.